Discover the enchanting world of clove-infused honey in this SEO-optimized video. Dive into 12 incredible health benefits, from soothing sore throats to elevating your energy levels. Learn how to craft this golden elixir in your own kitchen and join the wellness journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Script. Have you ever stumbled upon the marvel that is clove-infused honey? It's almost like discovering a secret elixir straight from a fairy tale, teeming with health wonders waiting to be unleashed. Picture this: the naturally sweet golden nectar that is honey, merging with the potent and aromatic cloves. The moment they unite, it's as if a spell has been cast, creating a concoction brimming with health benefits. What's even more exciting is that this blend can assuage a sore throat, supercharge your immune system, among other things, and you don't have to embark on a quest to the most sophisticated stores to find it. You can craft your own jar of this clove-infused delight with minimal steps right in the comfort of your kitchen. Let's dive a bit deeper into the myriad benefits of this fabulous fusion and get our hands dirty learning how to concoct this remedy ourselves. The magic begins with cloves, rich in a wondrous compound named eugenol, renowned for its expectorant properties. Basically, it's the hero that helps clear the troublesome mucus congesting your airways, making coughs more productive. Then the honey, with its sweet, soothing embrace, joins the fray. It's been the remedy of choice for countless generations to appease sore throats and alleviate coughs. It cascades down the throat like a gentle, golden balm, delivering immediate solace. When you marry the mucus-loosening prowess of cloves with the silky soothing of honey, you've orchestrated a symphony of healing that's nothing short of miraculous for your respiratory health. And this isn't just me saying praises. There's a harmony of scientific studies echoing the accolades of cloves and honey for respiratory well-being. One such study that graced the pages of the journal Molecules showcased that cloves pack a punch with substantial anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial impacts on respiratory cells. Another scholarly dance in the Journal of Family Practice illustrated the profound effects of honey in silencing the nocturnal coughs in children, offering even more relief than some of the available over-the-counter cough remedies. It's riveting to know that this isn't merely a tale passed down from the elders. The modern realm of science is waltzing to the tunes of the benefits of clove-infused honey. So, it is truly intriguing. This blend of honey and cloves. It's a potion, a remedy, a whisper of ancient wisdom, and a sweet symphony of scientific accord, all fused into a jar of golden wonder. 2. Soothes digestive woes. Imagine indulging in a hearty, satisfying meal only to be met with the unsavory aftermath of bloating, gas, or a tumultuous tummy. Quite the ordeal, isn't it? Here's where the marvelous clove-infused honey swings in like a superhero. Consuming this concoction allows the eugenol, alongside other wholesome compounds within the cloves, to melt with honey and venture into your digestive system. The antimicrobial prowess of eugenol wages war against any rogue bacteria wreaking havoc in your gut, while its anti-inflammatory attributes ease inflammation within the digestive tract. Meanwhile, honey, with its calming embrace, swathes and shields your stomach lining, mitigating any discomfort dancing within. It also orchestrates a harmonious balance of beneficial bacteria within the gut, cultivating a flourishing digestive ecosystem. Remember, while clove-infused honey acts as a swift alleviator for sporadic digestive upsets, enduring or severe gastro woes necessitate a consultation with a healthcare maestro. They'll usher you towards apt advice and remedial pathways tailored to your predicament. 3. Alleviates menstrual aches. During the menstrual cycle, the uterus is in the process of shedding its lining, releasing compounds called prostaglandins. These little agents of chaos instigate the uterine muscles to contract, ushering in the cramps that make you ponder, why, oh why? Here, the amalgamation of the potency of cloves and the sweet, soothing touch of honey concoct a formidable elixir. This blend operates by curtailing the synthesis of prostaglandins and mollifying the muscles in your uterus. It's akin to a serene massage for your perturbed uterus. Wondering how to weave clove-infused honey into your routine during these times? It's a breeze. Relish a spoonful straight, savoring the sweet consoling flavor, or mix it into a warm tea or your beverage of choice, and experience the waves of solace it brings. 4. Eases arthritis discomfort. Arthritis, the unruly disruptor of peaceful days, instigates inflammation and pain in the joints, making even the simplest of tasks seem like daunting expeditions. A study in the journal Molecules explored the effects of clove extract on animals experiencing arthritis and unveiled its anti-inflammatory and pain-alleviating properties. Encouraging, isn't it? It hints at the potential of cloves being a pal to those with achy joints. Next enters honey, the anti-inflammatory maestro. A wealth of studies reveal honey's incredible flair in quelling inflammation, owing to its rich content of flavonoids and phenolic acids. So it's likely that honey, with its soothing properties, contained the inflammation raging in arthritic joints. Now, conjure up the image of clove and honey uniting their forces. While there isn't an abundance of research on this dynamic duo specifically, the shared anti-inflammatory gifts of both suggest a combined might in assuaging arthritis symptoms. 5. Enhances sleep quality. At times, our minds are in a relentless race, buzzing with stress, concerns, or a relentless flow of thoughts, making the journey to the dreamland seem unattainable. Then there are those nights when sleep remains elusive or is fragmented. It's utterly vexing, isn't it? Research tells us that honey is a natural reservoir of tryptophan, a natural sedative. Ever felt the post-Thanksgiving meal drowsiness? That's tryptophan casting its sleepy spell. Consuming honey aids your body in manufacturing melatonin, the sleep-regulating hormone, making honey a sweet herald of serene sleep. Not to be overshadowed, clove augments honey's sleep-inducing attributes with its eugenol content, a natural relaxant. It placates the mind and lulls the body, facilitating a seamless drift into sleep and sustaining it. 6. Enhances oral health. Cloves have earned their repute as a trusty remedy for oral woes since times immemorial, and it's gratifying to see science nodding in agreement. A study in the Journal of the Indian Society of Periodontology corroborates the impressive antimicrobial prowess of clove extract against a spectrum of bacteria, those culprits behind tooth decay and gum afflictions included. And then we have honey, nature's sweet boon for oral well-being, wielding its antibacterial might against harmful oral microbes. Its innate sweetness can also assuage sore throats and alleviate oral inflammation. Imagine the synergy when clove and honey unite. They morph into a formidable alliance, with clove's antimicrobial strength and honey's antibacterial virtues merging, orchestrating a harmonious dance against detrimental oral bacteria. 7. Elevates immune health. Honey has been our companion in times of sore throats and common colds, hasn't it? It's intriguing to know that honey has ridden through centuries not merely as a sweetening agent, but as a natural enhancer of our immune defenses too. Its lavish antioxidant profile and antimicrobial attributes render it an eminent choice for fostering holistic well-being. Several scientific explorations have spotlighted honey's potential in fortifying the immune system. For instance, a study in pharmacognosy research indicates honey's role in stimulating immune cells, fortifying their infection-fighting capabilities. And let's not overshadow cloves. These minuscule spice champions parade their distinctive immune-boosting virtues, enriched with eugenol known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory facets. So why not empower your immune arsenal with a delightful blend of honey and cloves? Drizzling this ambrosial mix on your morning toast or infusing it in your warming tea not only indulges your palate but also bestows your body with a flavorful fortification. 8. Fosters radiant skin. Let's dive into the realm of skin health, starting with the infuriating world of inflammation. It's genuinely exasperating when our skin decides to flare up and get all red and irate, isn't it? Here, the alliance of cloves and honey emerges as a savior. Honey, with its antimicrobial might, battles the stubborn bacteria inducing breakouts and inflammation. And cloves, they're joining the battle with their inherent anti-inflammatory mastery, pacifying irritated skin and mitigating redness. So if pimples or skin irritations are your nemesis, this enchanting elixir is the peacekeeper your skin needs, reinstating its tranquility and balance. And there's more. This clove-infused honey is a maestro in refining your skin's texture. The antioxidants in honey act as guardians against free radicals, the notorious agents of collagen damage and premature aging, while cloves enhance blood flow, illuminating your skin with a healthy luminance, making it appear more rejuvenated and vibrant. Natural stress alleviator. Honey, in its natural splendor, holds compounds such as tryptophan, a harbinger of serotonin known for mood elevation and stress alleviation. This serene blend of honey and cloves with their eugenol content acts on brain receptors, mollifying anxiety and engendering relaxation, rendering it a potent concoction to alleviate stress and augment tranquility. 9. Optimizes blood flow. Proper blood circulation is like an elaborate waltz within your body, delivering life-enriching oxygen and nutrients to every corner and eliminating waste products and toxins, maintaining a harmonious internal rhythm. Honey and its myriad of enzymes, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds are beneficial to cardiovascular health, aiding in maintaining blood vessel flexibility and ensuring a seamless journey for blood cells. Additionally, cloves contribute to enhancing blood vessel function, making this combo a heart-friendly delight. 10. Enhances hair vitality. Whether indulging in a clove-infused honey hair mask or savoring it as a delectable indulgence, your hair is set to reap abundant benefits. The honey in the mask hydrates profoundly, vanquishing dryness and bestowing irresistible smoothness. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in honey strengthen hair follicles, spurring healthy growth, while the antimicrobial prowess of cloves maintains a healthy scalp environment, resolving issues like dandruff. 12. Elevates energy levels. Honey, brimming with natural sugars like fructose and glucose, serves as an immediate reservoir of energy. Consuming honey means these sugars swiftly metamorphosize into fuel, gracing you with an instantaneous surge of energy. Meanwhile, cloves are loaded with invigorating compounds, with eugenol playing the pivotal role. It has the prowess to uplift your spirits and intensify alertness. When coupled, honey and cloves offer a harmonious blend, with the sugars in honey proffering immediate energy and the compounds in cloves reviving your senses, keeping you vigilant. So the next occasion you find your energy waning, sidestep the eccentric energy concoctions and embrace the wholesome goodness of clove-infused honey. Creating clove-infused honey, ready to embrace the symphony of benefits offered by clove-infused honey. Let's create it together. Ingredients: premium, preferably organic, honey, whole cloves, plump and aromatic. Instructions: 1. Warm the honey. Utilize a small saucepan to gently warm the honey over low heat until it becomes fluid. Avoid overheating. The goal is a tender warm-up. 2. Infuse with cloves. Introduce the cloves to the warmed honey. Typically, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves per cup of honey suffices, but adjust according to your flavor preference. 3. Mingle and infuse. Let the honey and cloves coalesce for about 30 minutes to an hour, intermittently stirring to encourage flavor amalgamation. 4. Strain and store. Post-infusion, strain the cloves and transfer the honey to a clean jar. Voila! You created your nourishing masterpiece of clove-infused honey. The enchanting aroma and the myriad of health benefits are your rewards for this culinary craft. Did you find this visual guide enlightening and valuable? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on future enlightening content, and don't forget to like and share to spread the wellness. Keep thriving and stay healthy.